Yeah. Bob Sports Cards, Fleer Showcase, 3 boxes. eBay break. Good luck, everybody. Oh, look at that. It's off already. Simone Gagne, right off the bat. Anze Kopitar. Start with the base pack. Carey Price Skybox Premium. Bobby Clark, Fleer Ultra. It's a flyer box. Holt B and Jonas Hiller, who's coming back. Bobby Orr Metal Universe. Here's the patch. Chris Brown, Phoenix Coyotes at a 375. 2 colors. Coyotes. There it is again.
You made it. You made it just in time.
Patrick Waugh, Metal Universe.
Is he a showcase or playbook? Playbook? When's that, man? Yeah.
Logan Couture at a 99. 50 out of 99. Red. Fleer Ultra. Sharks gonna win the West.
Who's that flyer?
Till they win. I'm not gonna mention the Flyers.
Go Barber.
Matt Duchene, Metal Universe. Colorado Avalanche. Hot Prospects. Marek Mazanek, Magnus Hellberg. Predators at a 299. Second patch of the box. These base Duncan Keith. Jerk. Damian Brunner, Devils. Nice 3-color patch.
Yeah.
Out of 375.
Tell you.
Yeah, that was Flyer Eric gets that.
Nice.
Flyer Eric.
Iowa Road.
Casualty
Flyer
466.
fan, that's crazy.
Yeah, that's-
Devils. I don't know.
That's the girlfriend.
He just threw it.
Oh,
Yeah, she's a
That's a nice one.
Yeah.
what's worse? You being you were a Ranger fan or a Flyer fan? Or being a double fan?
Probably hates the Flyers.
Corey Perry, Uniformity. PK Subban, Jared Tenorti. Dual jersey. Char, Duchesne, Steen.
Call that.
Yep.
Hi, George. Good luck.
Good night, George.
Good luck.
Good luck, buddy.
Brendan Gallagher, Skybox Premium Prospects at a 299. Three packs left. Nice 2 patches.
Yeah, 2 packs off.
Peter Forsberg, Metal Universe.
That's super box?
No.
No.
No, I
Most
don't think so.
A 4 or 5 or 2.
It's usually 1 in a Drew Shore redemption. Jonas Brodin, Metal Universe. Last pack. Base pack. Second box.
Phoenix, right?
No, I have the Calgary.
What's that dollar? Probably different than him.
I picked 6 of them and they all.
You got to pick something at one. Got it.
Travis Zajac base. Metal Universe, Nile Yakupov.
13 was the start of the order.
Nice. Colorado went crazy. You see that?
$60.
Yeah.
John Tavares. Base pack.
Maybe my guy can shoot for you.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah.
Opened up the Canada this time, so.
Oh, you did?
Yep.
You did. Wow, that's one shot.
Valerie Nishushkin, Metal Universe. For Dallas.
Okay.
Bobby Orr, Fleer Ultra insert. Claude Giroux base. Teemu Solani, Metal Universe. No. Scott Hartnell base. Oh,
There it is.
stick to it. Barkov, Skybox Premium Prospects at a $2.99 for Florida. Oh, you're all
How many did you get?
hot prospects. Calvin Pickard, Kent Simpson. This will be randomized between Colorado and Chicago. Here's the patch. Probably another devil patch. Patrick Kane on top. Brock Nelson. Islanders. 3 colors. $3.75. Here it is again. For you at home. Trios, Brad Hunt, Martin Morasin, Taylor Fadoon. Edmonton Oilers. Another patch.
Nice.
Oh, it's a red.
Red glove or something?
Red glow or Nile Yakupov.
Nice.
Fight strap auto
Nice.
Was that
Very
number
nice.
3?
out of 18.
Nice.
4 out of 18. All right, enough with the nices, everyone. That was it.
No more nices?
No more nices. No more booms.
Boom,
No.
there it is.
No more sick. Unless somebody does like an awesome skateboarding trick. We'll look at that one again, everybody.
Yeah.
Sidney Crosby, Metal Universe.
Never heard of him before.
Worst player in the league.
Crosby?
Get out of here.
Plays that series.
Wayne Gretzky, Metal Universe.
I know that guy.
This is Red Glow. Red Glow, Steve Mason out of 36. Eric's cleaning up.
Is that you?
Yeah, and he'll be back for game 4.
Is he?
Yes.
Oh,
Thank,
that's right, he said, yeah,
thank God. He has to be.
How many teams did you get?
You a Flyer fan all of a sudden?
No, I'm just watching it closely because
Oh, yeah, I got the auto
White Hot. Hot Prospects, 6 out of 9.
for $1.
Eunice Rask, Tuca's brother, Victor Bartley, Kevin Henderson.
Nice car.
It is.
It's pretty.
Never seen an M before.
I've never seen a base White Hot.
What's the time?
Yep. That was it. Last pack. Box 2. Moving on to box 3 right now. That was pretty cool.
2, one more to go.
It's a good box.
2, one more to go. We're going to stop the video.
What?
Here's the Yakupov fight strap.
Damian Brunner and,
Here's the White Hot
Brock Nelson.
out of 9.
nah. That was nice. I don't know. 18, I think you said?
Yeah, because it's tier 1.
We're going to stop the video
So,
for the YouTube people and start another one. Who are you talking to?
well, all right.
Hang up.
Yeah.
I can't.
Yeah, bye.